Good morning. Welcome to Hangzhou, China. So far, experience has been very pleasant. Really enjoy the city. Very different to everything else in China so far. A little bit more calm. Also a very historical city and a factory city. Nonetheless, today I'm at the Today I am at the Xiangji temple. I'll probably just put the name here because I'll definitely butcher it. I can't even pronounce it. Xiangji. There we go. I have no idea if I'm saying it right. The Xiangji temple. That's definitely not right. So I will just put the name here. Super curious. There's a lot of temples in each city, but in every city the temples represent something different, not just to the people but in history. So I'm very curious to find out what this one is about. Roll the intro, let's go. First, tickets. Always have to pay a ticket first. Support the cause. There's a reason why people sell tickets, because it usually goes towards keeping the place afloat and in existence and clean. Useless information nonetheless. Come on, ticket. One thing that has been very nice, there's a lot of people willing to help you and explain what the temple means, but as usual the language barrier is a big thing, so we always end up in good spirits having a lot of fun with it, because Google Translate has been a saving grace. We've been having full-on conversations with the locals and the ladies who work here. They've been very helpful in explaining a lot of the temple and what the statues represent, what they mean to the people, all through Google Translate. So it's a very long conversation, but a fun one nonetheless. With being here, seeing the monks, and just experiencing a little bit more of the Chinese culture and their religion, you can't help but feel a very big sense of calmness within yourself. I think it's just also everyone here comes for the same reason, to say a prayer, to have a bit of hope in their life, or whatever their reasons are, but also to calm themselves down. And you can just feel the whole energy of this temple is very calm. So as much as it's not a big excursion, you tend to hang around a bit just for the way it makes you feel. was it for the temple. I really enjoyed it. It was very calming. It was fun. It was a great one to start the day off with. So I found another park around the corner, not far from the temple. It's a 9-minute walk. Just because I have some time on my hands, I'm actually very curious to go see what it's about. Just because it's a 9-minute walk, so it's not that far, and I have time. But also I get to walk all along the canal and explore a bit more and see what's actually around me. Let's go. I set up the camera, ran up the stairs, don't know what I did, came back down to finish the camera. So the park is pretty much just a little walkway and all the area surrounded by the lake. Nothing really interesting, lots of restaurants, but I think I'm leaving that for another day. But that's all we have time for. If you can, explore a city, explore country, explore something you haven't been, and just appreciate it for what it is. Take in new cultures. Today has left me with a very positive feel in my heart, I'll admit. I would like to end this video on that note. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't. Peace and love to all. Until the next adventure.